Hey guys, we've got the Cybertruck for 24 hours. We're from Scotland, but we're here in Florida and we're going to take this out for a spin for 24 hours. Come and see what we can do. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Cyber Beast, the Foundation Series Cybertruck. 24 hours in Orlando, Florida with this again. We're going to have a breakdown, full review, UK point of view as well, and maybe some kids telling you how they really want you to buy one. All in all, Cybertruck is ours for a day. So I'm here, try to charge up the Tesla here at the destination charger in the hotel. Now hopefully I can get this cable to stretch because it's all the way back there and it's in a really strange position for a Tesla charger. Let's see how we'll get on. Right, so the kids aren't here and I'm charging for not 1 hour, 20 minutes, but that's the first time using the destination charger in the hotel resort. That's quite handy to have that, and that'll save me some bucks when I have to hand this back. Because we have to hand it back with about the same charge as what we had on it, which was close to 90. Just a quick bit in the inside, you have the rear view mirror, which on a Cybertruck is absolutely useless unless you've got the tonneau cover open, which I'll just do just now. You might be able to see it. There might be a bit of sunlight going to come in any second. There you go, put it there. It's quite handy to have that there. Around the back of the vehicle, there is plenty of room in the back. I've not shown you the screen just now, but there's 3 seats here, and the back seats can get lifted up, so you could get loads of storage in here without actually using the kind of I suppose like using it as a pickup truck. You can just keep stuff in here if you wanted to as well. Anything in the back is really secure because of the cover being waterproof and all that. And this beautiful clear cabin sunroof, or glass roof, sorry, is absolutely huge, and it's got like a shaded kind of tint to it as well. It's a beautiful 90 odd degree day here in Orlando, and I'm kind of in the shade a little bit here just now. If you get the difference there between the back window and the two parts there, really make, you know, quite a visual difference. All in all, you're looking at premium effort. If I can get the camera to come round. Looking at the screen, this is obviously a bigger touch screen than your standard Tesla one. It's slightly bigger, 18.5 inches. Now, looking at all your unusual controls, you do have extra options for towing and handling. We don't have any way of doing any of these today, and I have no intention of towing any trailers. And telling you the maximum weight trailer masses that you can put on there, so you can really play around with all these settings. You have your options for ride heights, handling, acceleration, all the different options there for like off-road, custom, sport, blah blah blah. You get the point, you can see what's on the screen. However, when you're charging, you can't adjust obviously your ride height there, which is quite important. You don't want to be doing that. There's an additional button to the one that's over here for your tailgate and tonneau cover, so I can just close it, and it actually shows you on the screen how far along it is. Nice white interior, nice little light bar in there, and this is a Foundation series. I don't know if you can see it okay. A little bit in there, you can see it there. And there's obviously a few other kind of quirks with these vehicles that you get. This is absolutely massive. I'm stretching out, I'm 6'2". Look at this. Can't get anywhere near it. Oh, I just pop my shoulder out. But for cabin quality and coverage, I know there's people out here who will complain about a Cybertruck or Tesla build quality. I've not even covered some of the stuff in here. storage space that you'd expect. Drinks holders, phone chargers, there's 2 of them on each side, and plenty of leg room underneath in there as well, so you can hold stuff under there. If you're looking for something a bit different for the steering wheel, the yoke is really easy to handle. You get so used to it compared to a normal wheel. All your usual kind of Tesla controls are there, and you can expect them when you drive like a Model 3, Model Y in the UK. You can get into a Cybertruck very, very easily, and just once you get used to how high you're driving, it's just the same kind of view. So if you ever get a chance to do one of these, highly suggest you do it. We've done it through an app called Turo. It's a bit like Airbnb for cars. So if you want something like a Lambo, if there's anyone near you, you can do all that too. Hope you enjoyed this short segment.